Hello. Welcome to the Coin Blog channel. Cryptocurrency news in the world today. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe. We always have all the latest interesting news. Financial week results. Stock America is once again betting on tech companies, with the Nasdaq Composite Index adding 1.3% for the week and the S&P 500 also up slightly. Investors are getting used to the idea that the Fed will shut down the printing press at some point, but everyone expects it to happen no sooner than next year. The ruble and gold take what they can from the weakening dollar, but this is basically the only factor that drives them up, and this trend might be short-lived. As for oil, it got confused and stagnates. Even OPEC Plus and hurricane in the US, which blocked the production, did not help. Next here. Head of ECB Christine Lagarde announced that the economy was getting enough stimulus and now it's time to move on to point support. Perhaps Europe will be the first to stop printing money. Germany's main stock index DAX immediately showed a slight correction. Bitcoin will become Salvadoran currency on September 7th, but today you can already buy coffee for BTC via Lightning Network Instant Payment. What do you think it means? Waiting for your thoughts in the comments. Who and what do you think about this? Crypto Week results. The bulls have held Bitcoin above the 200-day MA, and the last few days the $50,000 price has become quite familiar. A fix above that mark would open the way to $60,000 and could well be the catalyst for a full-fledged reversal of the crypto market. More Ethereum was burned yesterday than miners mined. This is the first time since the activation of burning a portion of the commission on August 5th along with the London update. September 3rd was the first day ETH officially became a deflationary asset. Altcoin overtook Bitcoin by leaps and bounds on the week, dropping its market share to nearly 41%. Given a similar decline in the popularity of BTC in search engines, we can conclude a redistribution of existing investors in altcoins. But there is not enough fresh blood for the market to continue the uptrend. Cardano renewed its high above $3, but in anticipation of the launch of smart contracts from the coin was clearly more expected. Instead, the rate rolled back to $2.87. Now some numbers and then we will talk about the forecast for the next week. Subscribe and like it.
Top of the week. Phantom, $1.13, it up 120%. Revain, $0.0305, it up 85%. IOTA, $1.81, it up 80%.
Week in perspective. Buy on rumor and sell on news. El Salvador's acceptance of Bitcoin as a currency will come tomorrow, and what will happen to the market when the reason for rising is gone? On the other hand, if the rule doesn't work out, you can prioritize a bullish scenario with a $55,000 hike. The US stock market is going to have a short week, which doesn't call for any major shocks. These 4 days are perfect for a small correction of 0.5 to 1.5% to bring down the euphoria. The dollar index overshot its decline last week and started Monday with a recovery. But the correction target may not yet have been reached, and without good news it could retreat to 91.6. Bitcoin rose above $52,000 in the moment, but then went into a correction. Of the altcoins, XRP, Sol and Link are happy today. Monday's news. Forecast. Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike McGlone expects Bitcoin at $100,000 and Ethereum at $5,000. Because of user dissatisfaction, Apple has postponed for an unknown period the launch of its photo scanning feature on its devices. And how to verify that this is true? By the end of 2021, an NFT platform with unique collections from Japanese MMA and Kickboxing Federation Rizin Fighting Federation will be launched on the blockchain IOST. UK financial regulator intends to tighten control over cryptocurrencies, but it is not about a ban. Goldman Sachs Petershill Asset Management Division is set to launch an IPO on the London Stock Exchange. Media. Absolutely nothing has been built in a year at rapper Akon's Cryptocity in Senegal. US Soccer League NFL banned the advertising of cryptocurrencies and the sale of NFT until there are common rules for all teams in this market. El Salvador bought 400 BTC and the rate is already $52,700. Great start for Bitcoin Day. Bitcoin was $4 short to reach $53,000. The level of greed in the market remains an extreme 79 points. It's hard to say if this was a local peak at the events in El Salvador or if there is still potential for continued gains. But after the excitement will calm down, it is logical to wait for correction. Psychologically important level for bulls is $50,000. Below there are strong supports at $49,000 and $46K. The crypto market is almost back to the altcoin season, though they are not too happy themselves, and Ethereum and Cardano are even disappointing. But no one can stop Solana with a new high of $195. Rates. Bitcoin, $51,648, is up 2.54%. S&P 500 to 4,535, is down 0.03%. Euro to US dollar, 1,188, is down 0.13%. Gold, $1,823, is down 0.24%. Oil Brent, $72.06, is down 0.68%. That's all for today. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell not to miss the most actual and interesting things in the cryptocurrency market.